I'm literally beyond excited for this. All right, let's unbox my Magic Keyboard for my iPad Air 4. So for years now, I've been using my iPad like crazy. I use it for my sticker business. I use it for digital planning. I use it for a ton of things. And I've always had just like a cheap little Logitech keyboard that I could use, but it was never attached to my iPad. Honestly, I was deciding between this and the Logitech combo, but with this not being that much more than the Logitech, I figured let's go with the actual Apple product. So let's get this open. Okay, so it has an actual little pull tab right here, so let's just it's so pretty. Okay. And then, ooh. So it magnetizes straight to my iPad. How exciting. Okay, so hold please. Okay, so this is what came in the box. This just slips out and we have instructions. I think it's just gonna kind of like connect to my iPad as soon as I magnetize it on there. So that's what we're gonna do. So I have my iPad in this little case right now. And here it is. So I'm gonna take this case off, which this case is magnetic too. So that should be easy. And then I'm gonna pop this right on. Let's see. Ooh. Okay, let's get a better angle of this because this is a disaster. So these three things are supposed to line up right here. So, oh, perfect. All right, so you can close it, we can open it, and it bends back to right here. So this is as far as it'll bend back. As soon as I open it, it is automatically connected. And you can see the trackpad is amazing. Obviously, I've been Googling the Disney 50th anniversary castle, but let's just say Magic Keyboard iPad Air 4. So good. I am loving it so far. I like this. I like that the keys light up. I don't think you can change any of that, but it works just like an iPad now. So I can use my planner